Hey gang, welcome back to Smitty Sells Cars, where I review cars so you don't have to, because pictures lie and smell is free. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I got a weird one for you today. Behind me is a 2005 Acura TSX. It has only 136,000 miles and can be yours for only 3,000 buckaroos out the door. Tax, tag transfer, and title included. Well, Smitty, that sounds too good to be true. What's the catch? Well, I'll tell you, it has a bad Carfax. It has a branded title. And what happened to it? Nobody knows. And chances are good it will take those secrets to the grave with it. But hey, it's only $3,000. And that's the kind of price where dreams, reality, and sometimes bad decisions all meet at the local car lot. So let's take a closer look at today's contestant of who's looking for a cheap daily driver. This little 2005, like I said, only has 136,000 miles, which in Acura talk still means it's a teenager. As we go around, the rims and tires are in pretty good shape. They're not perfect by any stretch of the imagination, but would you expect them to be on a 2005? You will see several whiskey dents. You will see paint marks. You will see swirl marks. And you will see, well, little mysteries of damage. What happened there? Who knows? What you are getting is an Acura for $3,000 cash, all in, with a great motor, and hell, with any luck, you might even get a few more years out of it. Now, I'm not going to sugarcoat this thing and tell you that all your friends are going to be envious, because they're probably not going to be. And will your girlfriend want you to pick her up for school? Probably not, but hey, at least you'll be able to get to work without bothering mom and dad for a ride. So let's take a look at the inside. Okay, so you've got black leather. Quite a few features for a 2005, but you would expect that from anything with an Acura badge on it. Overall, on the inside, I will say this interior is probably a 6 out of 10. But hey, this right here is what you can expect to buy for $3,000. It's not going to look much nicer than this anywhere. So let's start this thing up. Got a little bit of a slow start to me, and I could be wrong, but we're looking right at, like I said, 136,853 miles. We do have a light on the dash. Looks like a caution light. Doesn't look like a check engine light, but hell, that could be the same thing. The air is ice cold, and it gets cold fast. So you do have that going for you. You also have a sunroof up top, heated seats down below, some little storage compartments, and of course all your radio controls and everything in the wheel. You do not have Bluetooth in this vehicle though, so you may have to pick that phone up while you drive. Don't act like you haven't done it before though. These cars are known to be crazy reliable if you take care of them. Hell, even if you don't take care of them, they're still considered reliable. Okay, well, let's see what's under the hood in this thing. So what do we got going on under here? Okay. So under the hood, this little TSX has a 2.4 liter VTEC motor. Now don't let the cylinder size fool you. This thing punches way above its weight class. It's got 200 horsepower and 166 foot-pounds of torque. It's paired with a 5-speed automatic transmission, and Honda has absolutely mastered this engine. Anybody that knows about these things will be more than happy to talk your ear off for an hour about them. So you couldn't ask for a better power plant in a cheap car. As far as fuel mileage is concerned, back in 2005, the EPA gave this an estimated rating of 20 miles city and 28 highway. So this thing's gonna come with a rebuilt title, which is the equivalent of that mysterious tattoo you got when you were in your 20s. Could have been from a bar fight, could have been from a vacation gone wrong. The truth is, we may never know. Which is why I encourage you to take it to your mechanic and get it looked over. Even though it's a $3,000 car, you have no idea what things lie in store for you with a purchase of something like this. So take it to a mechanic, or at least take it to your friend that swears he knows everything about cars. You might even want to take it to a priest to bless it. But hey, if it passes the test, this could be a steal of a deal for $3,000. Of course, it could also become a nightmare. Anything's possible.